Part 6. Why everything else fails. Many trading strategies fail because they are based on limited market data and frequent changes in the approach. We've discovered that verifying the effectiveness of a system requires testing it against at least 5 years of market data across all markets. It takes 1 year to test if the strategy is viable as a pattern, and then 5 years of repetition across all markets to verify if it will truly work. Additionally, manual trading is essential to test the system in real time in relation to trade volume and frequency. It's essential to have an exact blend of rules to ensure the system can withstand the complexities and fluctuations of real markets. Understanding this process sheds light on why many other trading strategies fail to produce consistent results. The systematic setup we teach here has been thoroughly tested and fine-tuned to deliver consistent results over time in an exact flow of maneuvering the markets.